Alright, so hello and welcome back. And in the last video, where we left off, was our image picker was working fine, where we could actually pick the image from the photo gallery, or if you wish to, you can have camera here and take a photo of the berry or the fruit that you're trying to recognize, and use that as a photo, and it would start displaying here. Okay, so moving forward from there, what we first need to do is we first need to create a function called predict. Okay, so let's create a function called predict. Okay, this function takes a CI image. So CI image, because Vision Framework actually deals with CI images. First of all, I forgot that we need to import uh, Vision, and we also need to import core ML. There we go. Okay, so now what we're going to do, Command C, we are simply going to first of all say prediction label, prediction dot text is equal to, so first it's going to change when prediction starts. The prediction label is going to change to detecting. Then we're gonna load our model first. So we're gonna say guardlet model is equal to try vn core model ml model, and this is how you can actually create a model, basically, or extract a model for an ML model file using Vision core machine learning model, this VN core machine learning model function. And this actually does work for all kind of image classifications. That's why it's combined with Vision Framework, which makes it very easy. Otherwise, you would have to according to the need of the classifier. For example, this classifier needs 299 by 299 size of image. You'd have to actually create that image if you don't use VN core model. You have to rely on orientation and stuff like that. You don't have to worry about all those things when you're using VN core ML model, which only works for image classifications. All right, moving forward, we're gonna get berry classification dot model, and if it throws any error, we're gonna say fatal error with message model can't be loaded. All right, okay, so that's good. Now next thing we need to do is we need to create a VN core ML request. So request is equal to VN core ML request, and this takes a model, so we're going to supply our model here. And now what we're going to do is they say there's a completion block, a completion handler. So let me choose the one that has a completion handler so you don't get confused. Okay, so we're going to use the second implementation. We're going to supply our model, and we're going to hit complete on completion handler, and we're going to say this is VN request, and this is error. All right. Originally, you would want to check for the error. We are gonna simply just run through that, thinking everything is good. There's no problem, but I would recommend you to check for the error state using guardlet. Okay, but we're gonna definitely extract the results out using guardlet. Guardlet results is equal to VN request, VN request dot identifier. Oh, sorry, VN request dot results as VN classification observations. So we're gonna get all the observations. We're gonna extract top result from this using results dot first else we're gonna throw a fatal error with message bn core ml request. Okay. Now, once we have received our top result, that means prediction is done. We're going to say prediction top result dot identifier. Okay, we're going to get confidence is using top result dot confidence times 100. Okay, now we're going to say self dot predicted fruit. Predicted fruit is equal to self dot. Now, one thing we need to make sure, because this is a closure, we need to actually create a weak self so we don't end up creating a retain cycle. So we're going to say self dot fruits dot filter f, and we're going to return if f dot name is equal to prediction. Okay, and we're going to take first element out of that. So that's going to be our predicted fruit. This is not copy, it's dot confidence. There we go. Okay. Alright, now it's time to update our image view and reload our table with the health benefits data in it. So dispatch q dot main dot async, and this is where you're going to say self dot prediction label dot text is equal to prediction and our confidence times 100. Not times 100, but our confidence and percent. There we go. So this is going to be our prediction label, and we also want to reload benefits table view, reload data. Okay. Now, once we are out of our request, let's make sure. Oh, okay. So once we are out of the request, let the completion handler, we're going to create a handler, and this is going to be vn image request handler. So vn image request handler, this is what handles all your prediction related requests. You can say ci image is equal to ci image that we are receiving, and we can say dispatch queue dot global Okay, so dispatch queue dot global, we're going to say QoS, and the QoS is going to be dispatch QoS dot QoS class dot user initiated dot async, and that's the code. We're gonna wrap this in do try catch. So do try handler dot perform this request. If not, then catch an error and throw fatal error with message detection. There we go. Alright, so that should make our build succeed. Okay, so if you remember, there's one thing that we had actually skipped. So whenever user actually selects an image, we are very well displaying in the UI image view, but we also want to supply this to prediction function. And before that, we want to convert this image into, because this is UI image, into a CI image. So we're going to say guard let CI image is equal to CI image, and we're going to take image, and we simply going to say selected image, else we're simply going to return, and we can also print okay, so a better label, and then we're going to say self dot predict CI image. There we go. Okay, with that, I guess we are almost finished. So let's take a look by running if we have missed anything. So what we should be doing is, as soon as we select the image, we should see it basically predicting. So let's select an image, and it was able to detect it's a strawberry. Let's select this. There's a strawberry as well. So as you can see, the last model I trained, it could not detect that this was a strawberry. This is still detecting as a blackberry, but for the white colored strawberries, it's actually detecting, and health benefits are also loading up fine. Okay, so yeah, so this is it for the video, and you saw how easy it is to basically take your machine learning model and basically create a machine learning model from scratch, and then importing it and creating an app out of it. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget, if you want to learn more about Create ML, check out the bonus video in the bonus section, and basically take advantage of this heavily discounted coupon and enjoy the course. Thank you very much.